Good morning, students. Today in our today we will discuss in our IT lecture. We are doing the web application unit 4, and we have already discussed these two topics of this, that is online transactions and the networking fundamentals. These two topics are I think I clear to you if you listen my if you have seen my videos. We have covered these two topics, and in my in my this week's video we will discuss these two topics. First, that is introduction to instant messaging and chatting with the contact. I think some is not clear to you because my marker is not working this time, so I think this is visible to you. That is introduction to instant messaging. Today we will do this topic: what is instant messaging, what are the advantages of this, how we can use it when we are chatting with other person, then what type of etiquettes we have to follow. So today we will do the theory part, and in my tomorrow's video we will do a chatting with a contact. This topic I will make it clear to you. We will do this topic through my practical session, that how we can use the instant messaging software. वैसे तो मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, because every day you are using this and you are watching my video. This time you are also watching this is through the instant messaging software, that is the WhatsApp software. I am sending a links on the WhatsApp and you are using the WhatsApp. So that is the real-time communication. As I am sending, you are receiving, and you are reading that messages. There is no, it takes a quick time to sending a message. So today we will do we will do the theory part of the instant messaging, and in my next video we will do the practical of chatting with the contact clearly. And I have given you some work. Many students didn't submit work to me, only 3-4 students, and send me your written work. It's my request to you, अभी तो request कर रही हूँ, please send me your work, because we are keeping a record of your work. If you will not send, I will have to give an absent mark to everyone student. So please write down your question answer in your notebook and send me the click of that through a WhatsApp. So waiting for your question. Today I will also told you 3 more questions. 5 I have already given to you and 3 more. 8 questions you have to write down after seeing my this session, and after that you will submit me your work clearly. Now let's move to the theory part of the third topic, introduction to instant messaging. Hello. Now today we will start our next topic of the web application unit, that is introduction to instant messaging. What is the instant messaging? Definition of instant messaging is that it is a real-time communication with the user at the other end. We all are using the instant messaging these days. Everyone is using the WhatsApp. We are doing the online study through the WhatsApp, and it's also an example of the instant messaging. As we share our link in WhatsApp, you can see that link at that instant of the time, and you can respond to that link also. So this is the instant messaging. We are using we are using WhatsApp. So this is also known as the real-time communication. Real-time communication means same time I am sending our messages and you are receiving the same messages within a fraction of the second. That is the real-time communication. And this type of instant messaging is also based on the client-server model. What is the client-server model? I have told you about the client-server architecture in my previous video, that whenever sender is sending something, firstly it goes to the server, then server takes that messages and send to the main receiver. तो पहले जो मैसेजेस है वो पहले सर्वर के पास जाता है, और सर्वर उसी वक्त उसको किसको सेंड करता है? रिसीवर को, जिसको हमने भेजा होता है. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो बेस्ड ऑन द क्लाइंट सर्वर मॉडल. Now instant messages, that is faster than email. Instant जो messages हैं वो email से काफ़ी faster messages है, क्योंकि email के थ्रू आप अपनी कोई भी फाइल सेंड करते हो, whenever I will open the, firstly I will give my login ID, then password, then I will open the email ID, then I will have to upload the file, तो it will take some time. बट इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग के थ्रू जैसे ही आप अपनी फाइल सेंड करते हो, at the same, within a fraction of the time I will received it and we can open it, that file at the same time. Some email provider has started their own instant messaging applications. कुछ email providers ने अपनी instant messaging applications भी स्टार्ट कर रखी है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल जैसे हम याहू ईमेल आईडी यूज़ करते हैं, yahoo.com के अंदर वी हैव मेड आवर ईमेल आईडी, and similar their instant messaging services are Yahoo Messenger. Through Yahoo Messengers you can talk, you can chat with any other person. Firstly you have to download the Yahoo Messenger, then you can talk to anyone. So this is the instant messaging. Clear? Now we will do the advantages of the instant messaging. Now we will discuss the advantages of the instant messaging. There are the various advantages of the instant messaging. Firstly, it is faster than any other communication. और बाकी जो भी हमने communication facilities we are using these days, for example email and any other, the instant messaging is the fastest, that is faster than any other communication facilities. Second, user can connect to instant messaging. I means instant messaging regardless of their location. It doesn't matter where are you sitting, where are you living, you can easily connect with the instant messaging software anywhere. Multiple users can communicate through a virtual conference. In this we can create a conference also and we can communicate with many multiple users. अब वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग हम करते हैं आजकल, एंड फ़ोन्स में भी वी ऑल आर टुगेदर, फ़ोन कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग में भी हम बात करते हैं, तो मैनी यूज़र्स कैन कम्युनिकेट थ्रू अ वर्चुअल कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग. नेक्स्ट एडवांटेजेस इज यूज़र्स कैन सेंड मैसेजेस. हम मैसेजेस तो थ्रू करते हैं एक दूसरे को, बट वी कैन ऑल्सो सेंड द ऑडियो, वीडियो, इमेजेस एक्सेट्रास. नेक्स्ट, यूज़र कैन कम्युनिकेट थ्रू ऑडियो, वीडियो और शेयर देयर लोकेशंस. यूज़र्स जो हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ कम्युनिकेट करते हैं, ऑडियो वीडियो के थ्रू भी वी कैन कम्युनिकेट. हम मैंने पिक्चर्स सेंड करते हैं, बहुत सारे इमोजेस सेंड करते हैं, इमोटिकॉन्स जिसको हम बोलते हैं, थ्रू विच वी कैन ऑल्सो कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो शेयर आवर लोकेशंस ऑल्सो ऑन द व्हाट्सएप या एनी अदर instant messaging softwares. So I think what is the instant messaging and what are the advantages of this, this is clear to you. Now how many type of instant messaging are there? Now next is the types of the instant messaging services. There are the two types of the instant messaging services. First is application based and second is the web based. What is the application based? Firstly we will read about this application based. These software are downloaded and installed on the user's devices. These are that software which we have to download and install from the Google Play Store. For example, Google Hangout, Skype, WhatsApp. These software we have to download it or install. So these are known as the application based instant messaging. Clearly. Next is the web based instant messaging. These we need not to download. These are just used on the browsers itself. ये आपको browser पे ही already installed मिलती हैं. Which browsers you download, जैसे कि वेब, क्रोम ब्राउज़र, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर ब्राउज़र्स, इन पे जो सर्विसेज आपको ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल मिलती हैं, दैट आर नोन एज द वेब बेस्ड इंस्टेंट मैसेजिंग सर्विसेज. Sometimes we have seen whenever you are open a web browser, Google something, you will see this type of symbols like this. इस symbols पे whenever you will click on these symbols, you will see many apps there. For example, YouTube, Yahoo Messenger, eBuddy, Google Sheets, Google Forms, many type of the applications you can see there. These are the web-based. You need not to download these. So these are the web-based instant messaging services, and these are the application-based instant messaging. In your syllabus, there is given a Google Talk, but nowadays Google Talk has been changed with the Google Hangouts. So in this lecture, in this topic, we will not read about the Google Talk. Where the Google Talk is written in your syllabus, then we will do the Google Hangout in place of the Google Talk, because now the Google Hangout has taken they has taken the place of the Google Talk these days. So in my lecture I have told you what is the instant messaging, what are the advantages of this, and what are the instant messaging services. So today this is clear. Now how we can download the Hangouts, how we can use it is so simple. Justly I will show you the practical, and after that you can download it and you can use it. As you use the WhatsApp, similarly we can use the Hangouts, but this is in your syllabus, so we will do it through a practical session also. But before going to practical, one theory topic is also left in this part. So next we will discuss that theory part. Next are the rules for chatting. We are talking about the instant messaging. What we do, the instant messaging software, we generally do the chatting. We are sending the messages to each other, and we are doing a chatting. So firstly we have to consider some rules for the chatting. What are some rules for the chatting is, always introduce yourself. Whenever you are starting a chatting with any other, firstly you have to introduce yourself. If your name is not showing on your email ID or on your status, whatever, if you are not posted any photo of you, so firstly introduce yourself, ki who are you, then start chatting to other, then ask from other person that he is ready to chat or not. After introducing yourself, you should ask from other person that he is ready to chat or not, or he is busy in some other works. Third, when you are starting a chatting, you should start a message with a short greeting. Clearly. Next is, message should be short and precise. You should not need lengthy messages in the chatting. You need not to wait others when you are sending a long messages. So your messages should be short and precise in chatting. Next, never use the capital letters in chatting. We should not use the capital letters in chatting. When we are using the capital letters, so it seems that you are shouting on the other persons. So never use the capital letters in the chatting. Next is, give people time to respond. You should give a time the other peoples to respond. You should wait for some time. You need not to post your messages. You should wait some other person for other persons, that you should give time to her or him to respond. Next is, do not post irrelevant audio and video during chatting. Please don't post irrelevant audio and video when you are chatting. That should be relevant to your topic, your conversations, when you are posting some audio and video. At last, when you are finishing your chatting with the other person, you should always say thank you and bye, have a nice day. So these type of greeting words we should use at last. So these are some rules for the chatting. So in today's sessions we have talked about what is instant messaging, what are the advantages of this. Next is what are the rules for chatting, what types of the instant messaging software are there. So these are the 4 questions that you have to write in your notebook. And previous question also, which I have given to you, that I am writing some questions on this board, and these questions you have to write in your notebook clearly. And only 2 and 4 students have given me response by sending their notebook work. Others never send it to me. Please send me your notebook work on my WhatsApp, so I can take your attendance and I can have your keep your records. So only 2 and 3 are here who are sending me the work. Previous question they have sent me. So today I am writing all the questions on the blackboard. Just see these questions and write down these answers in your notebook, and please send me on my WhatsApp group. Related to previous topics, I have given you these 5 questions which you have to write down in your notebook. That is, what is networking, advantages and disadvantages of it. Second question was, what are the types of the networks, explain each. Third was, difference between the peer-to-peer and client-server architecture. And fourth was, what was the different types of the internet connection, explain it in details, explain everyone in details. Detail means within 1 and 2 lines you have to explain this. Next was what is online transaction and or e-commerce, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of these online transaction and the e-commerce. Clearly here in first question, advantages and disadvantages, 3 to 4 points you have to write down. Similarly in fifth question you have to write down 3 to 4 points of advantages and disadvantages of online transaction and your networking. So these 5 questions were related to your previous topics, which I have sent you the some clicks of the pages also. From that you can write down these questions. Now according to the related to today's chapter, I am giving 2-3 questions which you also have to write down. I will send you the clicks of today's topic also. From there you can write down these question answers in your notebook also. Next three questions related to today's topic is, what do you mean by instant messaging and what are the advantages of it? अभी मैंने आपको instant messaging software क्या होता है और उसकी क्या advantages है, that I have already told to you. Next, list any 3 application based and web based instant messaging software. आपको 3 नेम लिखने हैं. Just you have to write down the name of 3 application based and 3 web based instant messaging software. Next, 8th question is, state any 5 rules and etiquettes that is to be followed while chatting on the internet. When you are chatting on the internet, then what 5 rules and etiquettes you have to follow? Then there you have to write down these 5 rules and the etiquettes. So these are the 8 questions that you will write down in your notebook and you will send me through your WhatsApp. You will send it through WhatsApp, so I can recognize who are doing the homework and who are not doing that. We teachers are keeping a record of your work, so please send me your work. Then I will click it on your name that you have submit your homework. Clearly, after doing this application, after doing this theory part, now in my next video, what I will tell you. Now in my tomorrow's video, we will do the practical session of this instant messaging software Google Hangout. तो आपके syllabus पे Google Talk है, तो please don't be confused. Ma'am is writing Google Hangouts and here is written Google Talk, because now the Google Talk has been replaced by the Google Hangouts. Now I will tell you how we can download this software, how we can start it, how we can do the chatting on it, how we can do the video chatting, a video conferencing on this Google Hangout. So write down these questions and tomorrow we will do the practicals. So thank you and have a nice day.